In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove effects in Canva step by step. This is a super common question, especially if you've applied text effects like shadow, lift, glow, or background styles, and later decide you want a clean, simple look again. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, or documents, knowing how to remove effects in Canva will save you a lot of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen where you can see all your recent designs, templates, and folders. From here, locate any design where you've previously added effects that you want to remove. This can be a social media post, a presentation slide, or any other Canva file. Next, click on the file of your choice to open it in the Canva editor. Give it a moment to fully load so all design elements appear correctly on your screen. Once the design is open, look for the text element that currently has an effect applied to it. This could be text with shadows, outlines, curved text, or any other visual styling. Now, click directly on the text you want to remove the effects from. When the text is selected, you'll notice that the top toolbar updates with text-specific options. This toolbar is where you control fonts, size, color, spacing, and effects. Make sure that text itself is highlighted, not the background or another element, otherwise the effects option won't appear. With the text selected, move your attention to the top toolbar and click on the option labeled Effects. This will open the Effects panel on the side or below depending on your screen size. In this panel, you'll see all the text effects that Canva offers, such as shadow, lift, hollow, splice, echo, glitch, and more. The effect that's currently applied to your text will be highlighted. To remove the effect, look for the Style section where the active effect is displayed. At the top of that section, you'll see an option called None. Simply click on None and Canva will instantly remove the effect from your text. You'll see your text return to its normal, clean appearance right away. There's no need to delete the text or undo multiples. Clicking None removes the effect immediately. If you have multiple text elements with effects, you can repeat these same steps for each one. Just select the text, click Effects, and choose None. This is especially helpful when cleaning up a design or making it more professional and minimal. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove effects in Canva in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials, design tips, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.